Hi there. With the MRPeasy Enterprise Edition, you can manage the packing of products into packages containing multiple units. We will go through the following topics: handling packing during shipment, using different packaging materials in one shipment, packing different items into one package, handling packing in a manufacturing order. The packing functionality can be enabled by navigating to Settings, System Settings, Enterprise Settings, Packing. MRPeasy offers two different ways to manage your packaging process. One way is very straightforward. Packages are included in the bill of materials, and the packaging process is handled within the manufacturing order. The other way is connected to the shipment process and provides more flexibility in choosing packages. This method also allows you to pack different items into a single package if needed. In this example, we produce laptops and intend to pack them into cardboard boxes, with 10 units per box. In addition to our product, we need to create packaging materials. These can be either procured or manufactured. In this case, we'll use a procured item, a cardboard box, designed to hold 10 laptops. Note that when the packing functionality is enabled, the item details include a weight field. We enter the weights for both the cardboard box and the laptops. This allows the system to calculate and print the total weight on the box labels for each package. We have a customer order for 205 laptops. The order is ready for shipment and we need to pack it. When we open the shipment, we see that 205 laptops are available, with a total weight of 410 kilograms. To add packaging to a shipment, click the plus icon in the shipment packing section. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to select the packaging material and assign the contents. We select Box A, which holds 10 products per package. The system immediately shows how many boxes are available. Next, we define how many laptops each box will hold and specify the total quantity to be packed using this packaging. After confirming the selection, a new row will be added to the shipment packing table. The system automatically splits the shipment. The first 20 boxes will each contain 10 laptops, and the last box will contain 5, 21 boxes in total. The boxes are booked immediately as they are added to the shipment, and will be automatically consumed at the time of picking. Now we can print the labels. After that, we can pick all boxes at once, or specify the number of boxes to pick. Let's repeat the previous example, but this time using two different types of packaging. Box A holds 10 laptops per box. Box B holds 5 laptops per box. In the first packaging dialog, the user selects Box A and enters 10 as the quantity per package. The system detects that 12 boxes are available and books them, packing a total of 120 laptops. In the second packaging dialog, the user selects Box B and enters 5 as the quantity per package. The system calculates that 17 boxes are needed and books them accordingly. Now in the shipment packing section, we see 2 rows showing our laptops packed in 2 different types of boxes. The system displays the total quantity and weight for each row. Let's go through a sample scenario, assuming the laptops have serial numbers. We have a customer order for 6 laptops, each with an assigned serial number. We will use box B, which holds 5 laptops per package. During the picking process, we need to enter the serial numbers. After picking, we can view the serial numbers of the laptops that were picked. Suppose we manufacture a cosmetic set consisting of a makeup bag, a nail file, a hand mirror, and a face cream. We have a customer order for 10 such sets. For packaging, we will use a polyethylene bag. The customer order is ready for shipment. On the shipment details page, we select the packaging material and enter the quantity per pack for each item. In this case, 1. After creating the packaging, we see 10 packages, each containing 1 of each item. For make-to-stock production, where packaging is done on the shop floor, an alternative packaging option can be used effectively. Suppose your company produces bottled wine and ships it in cardboard boxes, with 24 bottles per box. Our packaging item, the box of 24, is a procured stock item weighing 1 kilogram. Each bottle of wine also weighs 1 kilogram. In the bill of materials for the bottled wine, there is now an additional section called packing. Here, we select the packaging material and enter the quantity of finished products that fit into 1 package. When a manufacturing order is created based on a bill of materials with packaging, the system automatically calculates the quantity of packaging needed to pack the manufactured products. The packaging material appears as the last row in the list of parts. It is automatically booked for production, if available, in the same way as all other parts. In my production plan, packaging is not consumed automatically when the worker clicks the Consume Parts for End Products button. Packaging must be consumed separately. When the packaging is consumed, the quantity of packaged products increases accordingly. The shipment details page displays a row showing the packed bottles of wine. As you can see, the package label shows the number of bottles per box and the total weight of the package. In this video, we covered the key aspects of MRPeasy's packing functionalities. For more information, feel free to explore our other videos. Thank you for watching.